Every once in a while, you have to deal with an application that won't work. You try to be patient and wait to see if it comes around, but nothing happens. So if you have no choice but to reset the applications, know that you will lose the information associated with the application. But if this is your last resort when you've tried everything else and nothing works, these are the tips that you can follow. So firstly, you can go to your settings, click on Applications, choose Installed Apps, and you should be able to see a list of applications you have installed. So the next thing you have to do is look through the list, and when you find the application you want to reset, click on the dots to the right or More Options, and choose Advanced Options. Then when you find the option Reset, click on it to reset the application. You can also click the Repair option if you would like to repair it first. But that's how to reset an application on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.